Man given 22 years for sexual assault of senior citizen. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Catherine man who pleaded guilty to sexual assault of an elderly woman was sentenced in the Home Circuit Court to 22 years and 5 months in prison on Friday. He is Gregory McLean, aged 25 years old, a labor of Charlie Mount in St. Catherine. The accused was sentenced by Justice Bertram Morrison to 22 years and 5 months for rape and 5 years for indecent assault. Justice Morrison ruled that the accused should complete 22 years and 3 months before being eligible for parole. The court was told that a witness caught McLean sexually assaulting the 68-year-old complainant at her home in Charlie Mount in February 2022. A report was then made to the police and the accused was subsequently arrested and charged. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.